Namaste everyone. It's truly an honor to speak with you today about a pivotal moment in our nation's journey. India is stepping into the future with the IndiaAI Mission, a bold initiative to make AI work for India. This isn't just about adopting technology. It's about shaping it, leading it, and ensuring it reflects the aspirations and needs of every Indian. We stand at the cusp of an AI-driven era, an era that promises unprecedented opportunities for growth, innovation, and societal transformation. The energy and potential within our country are immense, and with AI, we can unlock capabilities we've only dreamed of. The IndiaAI Mission is our commitment to harnessing this transformative power for the collective good. Backed by a 10,000+ crore investment, this mission is building a powerful AI ecosystem. This substantial commitment underscores our government's vision and determination to position India as a global leader in artificial intelligence. We are laying the groundwork for a future where AI-powered solutions drive progress in every sector, from the bustling cities to the most remote villages, ensuring that the benefits of this technological revolution reach every citizen. At the heart of AI lies computational power. The IndiaAI Mission is establishing a state-of-the-art infrastructure with over 10,000 GPUs. This will drive AI innovations, democratize development, and foster self-sufficiency, a critical step towards a competitive AI landscape in India. Language is the cornerstone of culture, identity, and communication. Indigenous large language models, LLMs, are crucial for India's AI future. They ensure AI solutions reflect India's linguistic diversity and cultural nuances. This initiative fosters inclusivity and innovation in local language content. It strengthens digital sovereignty and aligns AI with national priorities. The true power of AI lies in its ability to solve real-world problems and improve lives. The IndiaAI Mission leverages AI to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and education, making them efficient and accessible. AI assists doctors, predicts disease outbreaks, and personalizes treatments. It bridges healthcare gaps, bringing insights to underserved communities. In agriculture, AI drives a new green revolution. AI aids precision farming, predicting crop diseases and optimizing resources. In education, AI personalizes learning and assists teachers. These are tangible goals we are actively pursuing. Innovation thrives in an ecosystem that nurtures bold ideas and supports entrepreneurial spirit. The IndiaAI Mission is committed to fostering such an environment by providing dedicated funding and establishing innovation hubs specifically for AI startups. These initiatives will nurture the next generation of AI entrepreneurs, driving economic growth and technological advancement across the nation. As we unlock the immense potential of artificial intelligence, we must navigate its complexities with wisdom and responsibility. Ensuring AI is developed ethically and earns citizens' trust is a cornerstone of the IndiaAI Mission. We are committed to transparency, fairness, and accountability. Our goal is an innovative, just, and reliable AI ecosystem. The future will be shaped by those who understand and harness the power of artificial intelligence. The IndiaAI Mission empowers students and professionals with AI education, preparing them for future jobs and ensuring a skilled workforce. Integrating AI into school curricula fosters curiosity and foundational knowledge from an early age. Specialized AI courses and research opportunities in universities will create a strong pipeline of AI talent. Upskilling and reskilling initiatives will provide professionals with practical AI skills. By investing in AI literacy, we aim to create a digitally empowered citizenry ready for the AI revolution. The IndiaAI Mission represents our collective aspiration for a more prosperous, equitable, and innovative India. We are building an AI ecosystem that is globally competitive and rooted in Indian values, empowering every Indian with AI to achieve their full potential and contribute to the nation's progress. From agriculture to healthcare and education, AI's impact is boundless. Join us in this transformative journey and be a part of India's AI revolution. Let's script India's AI success story together. Thank you, Jai Hind.